They are not scared. You have witches and wizards, but guess what? God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and of a sound mind. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well. I'm coming on a lot better. My eyes, they're now down, and I'm feeling very well, better than I was the other day. We're gonna go dive straight into this video. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Isha, walking in divine purpose, and if you're returning, big up yourself. Walk one. Blessings from the island Jamaica. You can see that things are changing times, okay? And this video was sent to me. I have a video similar where they're witches, and make no mistake that they're on the job. Now, I want to share this video with you because I've done a video similar where there's a lady that went and she was praying over meat. Now, this lady is praying over eggs. Well, she's not praying, actually. Thank you, Holy Spirit. But she is over the eggs. She's actually casting spells. This is why when you go to the supermarket, wholesale, food store, drugstore, whatever you're going to purchase things for your home, always invite the Holy Spirit with you. The spirit of discernment is needed more than ever. You need to tap into the spirit, because make no mistake, there are people out there who are not afraid. They are adamant about people dying. They're adamant about children, all these things, leaving home, disobedient to parents. They are working on marriages to be destroyed, relationships that are working into marriage to be destroyed, ministries. You make no mistake about that. There are actually people who are up praying over your things, wicked things to happen. You understand? So you have people who are good, but make no mistake, you have people who are evil. And when I say they're evil, they're even in the church. And I work on a video, but I was not feeling too well. But I have that video to come over the weekend where I'm share with you more knowledge, because God's people are, because of lack of knowledge. Let's go into the video. Leave a comment down there for me, and see you in it. Let's watch it together. So guys, you see, we have to be very careful. If you're going to the clothing store, farmers market, meat market, wherever, invite the Holy Spirit. Not scared. They are not scared. You have witches and wizards, but guess what? God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and of a sound mind, self-control. That's what sound mind means, and power. We can't access that on our own, but we have to go through Lord Jesus Christ. Because remember now, you can't manifest anything. Even though you hear that word going around a lot of times, manifestation, information, we have to still go through the Lord Jesus Christ. So once you're not going through that door, you're illegal and you're practicing witchcraft. Now, and it's taken over in a lot of churches. It's coming from the new age. Thank you for watching. See you in the next upload. Remember, no worry now. God is with us. But be obedient and allow the Lord to have his way in your life. If you're not a Christian, I encourage you to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ today. Tomorrow is not promised to anyone. If you're a Christian, spend time with the Lord. If you're a backslider, invite the Lord again in your heart.